Alright guys, on this activity you will be working on the Promethean board. I have two activities that will be loaded for you. I'm going to go ahead and just show you what they look like here on your computer so you know how to do the activity, but you will complete these on the Promethean board here next to you. So let me open up this first one and explain to you how you will do this one. And when you finish this one, there'll be another activity to do, and then there'll be a little quiz at the end. So here's how you do this one. So basically it's a matching memory game. So you just click on the rectangle. So you need to know your planets to do these activities. This planet is best known for its rings. So you want to look and see if you can find which one that would be. That one says it's Earth. It is not Earth. This planet rotates sideways, and it's the 7th planet from the Sun. So we need to find the matching tiles. The smallest rocky planet. It is not Neptune. What is Uranus? It is 7th planet from the Sun, and it does rotate sideways. So you can see how it selects those two when they do match. So your task on this one will be to take turns with your team members. Everybody gets a turn to go to the board and see if you can match all of these tiles up. So that is the activity number 1. Now we'll go back and I will show you the next activity. Oh, and I meant, sorry, to click the other button. So this activity is also on planets. I'm going to show you how this one works. So we'll open this one up for you after you finish the first activity. Just let us know. So we're going to go ahead and hit play. So basically you have all of your planets from the closest to the Sun all the way out to the farthest from the Sun. These little circles right here represent where you drag your answers to. So the first one they're asking for is the planet Saturn. Hold down and drag your finger on that Saturn, holding down your finger, and we drag the answer choice to that little dot right there. So you see how that works? The next one is asking for is Venus, holding down again our finger on the board. We will drag our answer to that planet. So that's how that works. You'll match all these up with the those activities. So let's go ahead and go back to your exit ticket. So when you're done with those two, then you'll get on your computer and you will do your exit ticket. And it looks just like this. So it'll be a quiz and it'll ask you a question about what you did on the board. So you will drag and drop those into the correct location. You just drag it and drop it into its proper location. And then you submit it when you're done. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.